What's up, guys? Today we have an HDT behind me that is loaded out. It has a feature on it that hasn't gotten the most love the last little while. That feature is the 3/16 heavy duty steel floor option. Now, a lot of other manufacturers, they offer a steel floor option, but they automatically jump and go with 1/8 inch. We feel like, just having 37 plus years in building trailers, that in this class of trailer from 14,900 up to 24,000, there's no place for 1/8 inch, that we automatically would go with 3/16. It does weigh a little more, robs a little bit of payload, to be honest, but this steel floor, unlike wood that can be changed, is welded down and it's there forever. That's the intention. And so you don't want a steel floor that between your cross members is wavy over time after being used. And so 3/16 definitely ensures it from just that, from being wavy between the cross members, and is going to stand the test of time. Steel floor versus wood, it's a big preference decision, right? Wood definitely can be replaced over time. It takes a beating, but it lasts a good while, can take a beating, but has to be replaced over time, versus a steel floor. Again, the intent is that it's there from now on. So up at the front of this HDT, we'll go over a few of the other features that it has. They opted for a hydraulic steel well jack. This makes unhooking and hooking up super fast and easy. You don't break a sweat like I am right now, just pouring sweat standing out here in the sun. If you've ever run an old manual jack, it takes a little bit of time, versus the hydraulic jack. It's simple, up, down, push a button, and it's good to go. Next, we have the HD V-tongue lid. This is where your battery and pump are housed for the jack, in addition to a whole lot of extra space over here to carry tools, straps, binders, chains, all that kind of stuff that you can then close, lock it out of the way. The HD lid is signature to Diamond C in that it gives you that space we just looked at, but also extended deck space on top to be able to carry a job box, a pump, a little toolbox, a generator, something like that to the site, when normally, the space of the tongue right here is void and good for nothing usually, but with the HD lid, you can actually use that space. It also has the new Samurai or 12K pop-up winch package. And it's really cool because when not being used, it folds down out of the way, where you can still use your whole deck space here, this stationary deck. You can put a pallet on top of it, what have you. But say you're in a bind, you need to pull up a piece of downed equipment, pop up the winch, lock it out. It comes with the bed roller, so your cable goes up and over, and you pull up your equipment. Super simple. The last thing we're going to look at on this particular HDT is the 17.5 wheel and tire package. This trailer has 7,000-pound Lippert axles on it, and sometimes consumers, they need a little heavier duty wheel and tire package, but don't necessarily need an upgraded GVWR. Perfect, this 215 17.5 package gives you a 16-ply regroovable tire on a 17.5 steel heavy duty wheel. It also comes with the aluminum Valcrum oil caps. The tires are super puncture resistant, so when you're on the job site or on the farm, obviously the tires are going to last you longer. They're not going to be able to be punctured as easy. Also, the tread life, as deep as it is, you will get a whole lot more miles out of these tires than a traditional 10-ply or 14-ply tire. I said that was the last thing, but I almost forgot. You'll see the color is this really vibrant lime green color. It is one of the selectable DM coating colors on our website. Now, DM coating stands for Difference Maker Coating System. Make sure to go watch our videos on exactly how we prep this entire trailer before we spray it, then also the type of material we use with the zinc enriched primer, and then the top coat to get this beautiful, long-lasting finish. The green is a great color because it really stands out on the job site, right? Say you've got a fleet, you've got an HDT like this, you have an LPT dump trailer, maybe an F-Max, they're all this color. Well, around town, folks know when you show up, you mean business. Also, it's a pretty good theft deterrent. It's hard to cover a lime green trailer up, to be honest. Jump on our website. There you can build an HDT, all kinds of different options, links, GVWR options available to make one your own.